Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Children, have you had your breakfast? What do you eat today? Did you write your previous works? I hope all of you are doing all the works given to you. Children, what we studied in the last class? Did you remember that? Yes, we studied about agitation in Kochi and freedom struggle in Malabar. Agitation in Kochi and freedom struggle in Malabar. Now we discuss about the answers of previous class. First one, what are the freedom struggle movement in Kochi? Children, do you know answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, very good. The agitation was led by the Cochin State Prajamandalam, a political organization. The reforms introduced by the Maharaja Keralavarma did not satisfy the people. Finally, the Maharaja agreed to the formation of popular ministry. This ministry was under the leadership of Panambili Govindameno. Then second one, who is known as Kerala Gandhi? Children, do you know answer? What is the answer? Yes, K. Kelappan, popularly known as Kerala Gandhi. Third one, where did Salt Satyagraha take place in Kerala? Where did Salt Satyagraha take place in Kerala? Where? Do you know answer? Yes, at Payyanur Beach. The last one, what are the freedom struggle movement in Malabar? What are the freedom struggle movement in Malabar? The freedom struggle in Malabar was in the same lines as that of the Indian independence struggle led by the Indian National Congress. It was led by K. Kelappan. The Congress, under the leadership of K. Kelappan, organized a satyagraha at Payyanur Beach. People from all parts of Kerala joined the satyagraha movement. You must study these answers. Okay? Children, today we are going to discuss about Aikya Kerala movement. Aikya Kerala movement means Aikya Kerala Prasthanam. Aikya Kerala movement was an important step in the formation of Kerala. Aikya Kerala movement was an important step in the formation of Kerala. The State People's Conference held at Ernakulam and the political conference held at Payyanur also played an important role in emphasizing the need of a united Kerala. Means the important role in emphasizing means ഊന്നി പറയാം. What? Emphasizing the need of a united Kerala. The policies of the government of India had helped the prospects of the formation of a united Kerala. Means the State People's Conference held at Ernakulam and the political conference at Payyanur stressed the need for a united Kerala. The first concrete step in this direction was taken on July 1st, 1949. The state of Travancore Kochi came into existence on July 1st, 1949. Means the state of Travancore Kochi means formation of Tirukochi. Came into existence means നിലവിൽ വന്നത് existence on July 1st, 1949. The Maharaja of Travancore and Kochi signed the document of integration. Integration means samyojanam. Means The Maharaja of Travancore and Kochi signed the document of integration. It was also decided to locate the capital of the state at Thiruvananthapuram and the High Court at Ernakulam. Means it was decided to locate the state capital at Thiruvananthapuram and the High Court at Ernakulam. Students, do you know which is our capital district? Yes, Thiruvananthapuram is our capital district. The districts in which the High Court is situated. In which district is High Court situated? Say loudly. Yes, Ernakulam. It was decided to locate the state capital at Thiruvananthapuram and the High Court at Ernakulam. In a way, the Aikkya Kerala movement was the forerunner to the formation of the state of Kerala on 1st November 1956. Means, on 1st November 1956, the new state of Kerala was formally inaugurated. New state of Kerala was formally inaugurated. Children, we celebrate Keralapiravvi on 1st November. Our state was formed on 1st November 1956. In which year the formation of Kerala? Students, do you answer? In which year the formation of Kerala? November 1st, 1956. Children, take your EVS textbook and look page number 16. Let's match. This is the homework for you. The next, let's write in the correct order. Let's write in the correct order. Write the following in chronological order. Do this homework in your notebook. For example, formation of democratic government in Kochi, formation of Travancore State Congress, formation of Kerala, death of Pazhassi Raja, formation of Tirukochi and Kundra proclamation. Years 1805, 1809, 1949, 1938, 1956, 1948. Students, you must identify these years and their events. Write in your EVS notebook. Children, let's collect pictures of freedom fighters of Kerala and prepare an album in your collection book. Children, next we are going to discuss about new chapter. Chapter name is States of Matter. What is the name of new chapter? States of Matter. States of Matter means ദ്രവ്യത്തിൻ്റെ അവസ്ഥകൾ. Students, how many things are around us? How many things we use? Yes, water, air, soap, oil, toothpaste, etc. We use these things for different purposes. Are they all alike in nature? Yes. Make a list of things you use every day. Now I say some names of things we use every day. For example, toothpaste, water, toothbrush, soap, coconut oil, etc. Are these things alike? Or are they all alike? What difference do you notice between toothpaste, toothbrush and coconut oil? Students, we discussed that one. What difference do you notice between toothpaste, toothbrush and coconut oil? Properties of toothpaste. A mixture of solid and liquid. A mixture means mishridam. A mixture of solid and liquid toothpaste. Toothpaste takes the shape of the container. Takes the shape of the container, but toothpaste does not flow. It does not flow. Second one, toothbrush. Toothbrush has definite shape. Definite shape means a fixed shape. does not depend on the shape of the container. Second point, does not depend on the shape of the container. Third one, coconut oil. Coconut oil has no fixed shape. Has no fixed shape. Can be poured from one container to another. Can be flow from one container to another container. Students, take your EVS textbook and look page number 61. Complete that table. Properties of toothpaste, toothbrush and coconut oil. Children, next I say about solids, liquids and gases. All students say loudly. Solids, liquids and gases. Solids means gharam, liquids means dravagam and gases vadagam. Garam, dravagam, vadagam. Take a piece of wood, some water in a glass and a balloon. Students, you observe the size, shape, color and smell of each. What do you observe? Piece of wood, glass of water and balloon. You observe the size, shape, color and smell of each. What do you observe? Are these things are alike? Example, piece of wood, glass of water and a balloon? No. Blow air into the balloon. Next, blow air into the balloon. What happens to the balloon? What happens to the balloon? Balloon gets inflated. Inflated means air gets filled in the balloon. Or inflated balloon by blowing air into it. What may be the reason? Air gets filled in the balloon and the shape of the balloon is changed. Air gets filled in the balloon and the shape of the balloon is changed. The reason is that the air takes the form of the balloon. The reason is that the air takes the form of the balloon. Then a piece of wood has a definite shape. A piece of wood has a definite shape means nikshita shape or fixed shape. The water takes the shape of the vessel which contains it. Or the water takes the shape of container means the water takes the shape of the container. Water depends on the shape of the container. But air has no definite shape. Air has no fixed shape. Children, next I say what is called matter. The object or material which occupies space is called matter. The object or material which occupies space is called matter. What is called matter? All students say loudly. The object or materials which occupies space is called matter. The object or material which occupies space is called matter. Matter has 4 states. Matter has 4 states: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. There are 4 natural states of matter. There are 4 natural states of matter: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Solid, for example, chalk, piece of wood, iron, pen, soap, chair, table, etc. Once again say chalk, piece of wood, iron, pen, soap, pencil, door, chair, etc. Solid means this have fixed shape. This material, this have fixed shape. For example, chalk. These have fixed shape. Chalk, piece of wood, iron, pen, soap. These have fixed shape. But liquid, for example, water, coconut oil, petrol, milk, honey, fruit juice, diesel, soft drinks, coconut oil, etc. Once again I say coconut oil, milk, fruit juice, water, diesel, petrol, milk, honey, etc. Liquid or this take the shape of the containers. This take the shape of the containers. This can flow. Liquid can flow. Then, for example, gases, cooking gas, air, water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Once again I say example of gases, cooking gas, carbon dioxide, oxygen, air, water vapor, etc. This can also take the shape of containers. This cannot flow. This can also take the shape of containers means ആ പാത്രത്തിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പിനനുസരിച്ചിരിക്കും. This cannot flow. Children, take your EVS textbook and look page number 62. Make a table of solids, liquids and gases around you. Complete that table. This is the homework for you. Children, what are the different states of matter? Do you know answer? What are the different states of matter? Who knows this answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, solid, liquids, gases and plasma. What are they? Solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Children, you observe a stone and a glass of water. You observe a stone. Do you know Malayalam means stone? Kalli. And a glass of water. How does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties? How does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties? All students, listen to me very carefully. This is the important answer. Students, you must study this answer. Stone has fixed shape and does not take the shape of the container. Once again I say, stone has fixed shape. Fixed shape means നിശ്ചിത ആകൃതിയിലാണ്. സ്റ്റോൺ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നിശ്ചിത ആകൃതിയിലാണ്. ആൻഡ് ഡസ് നോട്ട് ടേക്ക് ദ ഷേപ്പ് ഓഫ് കണ്ടെയ്നർ. അത് ഒരു കണ്ടെയ്നറിനനുസരിച്ച് ഷേപ്പ് ഒരിക്കലും മാറില്ല, ചേഞ്ച് വരില്ല. എ സ്റ്റോൺ ഡസ് നോട്ട് ഫ്ലോ. എ സ്റ്റോൺ ഒരിക്കലും അത് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യില്ല. ബട്ട് എ ഗ്ലാസ് ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ ക്യാൻ ഫ്ലോ. ഓ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഡു യു നോ? ഗ്ലാസ് ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ, വെള്ളം, ഗ്ലാസ് ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ ക്യാൻ ഫ്ലോ. ഇറ്റ് ടേക്സ് ദ ഷേപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് കണ്ടെയ്നർ. അതിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പ് ഇറ്റ് ടേക്സ് ദ ഷേപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് കണ്ടെയ്നർ. ആ വെള്ളം അത് പാത്രത്തിലൊഴിക്കുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് അതിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പ് മാറിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. ഇറ്റ് ടേക്സ് ദ ഷേപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് കണ്ടെയ്നർ. ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് നോ ഫിക്സ്ഡ് ഷേപ്പ്. വാട്ടർ ഹാസ് നോ ഫിക്സ്ഡ് ഷേപ്പ്. Once again I say, how does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties? Stone has fixed shape and does not take the shape of the container. A stone does not flow. But glass of water can flow. It takes the shape of its container. It has no fixed shape. Glass of water has no fixed shape. Children, Now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, what is called matter? First one, what is called matter? Second one, what are the different states of matter? What are the different states of matter? Third one, how does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties? How does a stone differ from a glass of water in its properties?
Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp or call. Do your works and send it to your classmates. We will be back with another EVS online class. Thank you.